So there's a common question that I get asked in comments from my videos around Fusion 360's free personal license. Lots of people tell me there isn't a free version of Fusion 360. So I thought it about time that I put the record straight. To clarify, there are actually 3 licenses available for Fusion 360. The first of which is the premium paid for license, which you pay a monthly, yearly or 3-yearly subscription fee to Autodesk to get the full features of the software. This allows you to use the software for any purpose you like, be it a personal project, commercial project, it doesn't matter. The second license that's available is the educational license. Providing you qualify, meaning that you're in some form of education and that educational institute provides you with an email address that you can use and that Autodesk recognize as an educational institute, you can qualify for their educational license. This will give you access to Fusion 360's full features for free. However, it is limited for educational purposes. Finally, there is the personal license. This gives you access to Fusion 360's software, however there are some limitations, most notably around the number of projects that you can have open, which is 10, the types of files that you can export, and up to 3 axes on CNC CAD/CAM processing. So how do you get your free version of Fusion 360's personal license? First of all, do a Google search for Autodesk Fusion 360 and you'll find the Fusion 360 page. Once at the site, you need to click the link in the top right corner that says download free trial. I think this is where a lot of the confusion has crept in because you're not looking for a free trial, you're looking for a free version of the software. The resulting page will bring you to the different types of software options in terms of licenses, and you're looking for the free personal use license option. You then need to click the download the limited free version, and then you're presented with another page giving you options for the free personal license or the paid version. So this feels a little bit convoluted, and it seems that you've got to navigate a bit of a rat's nest of links to get to the place that you need to be to get your personal license. So once here, you click the Get Autodesk Fusion for personal use, and then you're asked to log in. If you already have an Autodesk account, go ahead and log in with that. If not, you'll need to run through the wizard in order to create an account, which is free by the way. You'll then need to fill in some additional details, which you've already entered in part of your account creation, such as your name and your postcode. Seems a little bit repetitive, but persevere, because the end is close. Once you've filled in these details, it'll then present you with the download option. Once downloaded, execute that file and it will then install Fusion 360. All you then need to do is to log into Fusion 360 and you're good to go to start making some awesome creations. So there you have it, a free version of Fusion 360 personal license that you can use for your non-commercial hobbyist projects. Remember, if you're starting to use this for commercial use, you will need to upgrade your license to the paid version, otherwise Autodesk might come knocking. If you found this video useful, why not check out one of my others, because there's plenty of good stuff in there. Until next time, make something awesome.